Welcome to the Safe Place channel. Are you ready for a math quiz? Let's see how many you can get right. 20 math problems are waiting for you. Ready? Go! Kindergarten Subtraction Quiz. Let's get started. What is 3 minus 2? Three, two, 1. That's right, it's 1. Let's try another one. Are you ready? 4 minus 2? Three, two, 1. Great job. The answer is 2. Take a look at this. 5 minus 2? Three, two, 1. Nice work, it's 3. Can you solve this one? 7 minus 2? Three, two, 1. Awesome, that's 5. Ready for the next question? 8 minus 2? Three, two, 1. Yes, it's 6. What do you think? 6 minus 2? Three, two, 1. Correct. The answer is 4. 9 minus 2 equals... Three, two, 1. Well done! It's 7. Try this one. 10 minus 2? Three, two, 1. Great thinking! That's 8. Here comes another one. 4 minus 3? Three, two, 1. You got it! It's 1. What about this? 5 minus 3? Enjoying the quiz? Like and subscribe for more. 3, 2, 1. Excellent. The answer is 2. Let's take a quick break. Are you having fun so far? Back to math. Can you solve this? 10 minus 0? Three, two, 1. That's right, it's 10. Try this one. 6 minus 3. Three, two, 1. Nice work. The answer is 3. Ready for another one? Solve 10 minus 1. Three, two, 1. Awesome. That's 9. How about this? 7 minus 3. Three, two, 1. Great job! It's 4. Here's another one. 8 minus 3. Three, two, 1. Correct. The answer is 5. What is 9 minus 1? Three, two, 1. Well done. That's 8. Try this one. 9 minus 3. Three, two, 1. Great. It's 6. What is 10 minus 3? Three, two, 1. Yes, the answer is 7. One more question. 8 minus 4? Three, two, 1. Fantastic! That's 4. And here comes the last one. 3 minus 3? 3, 2, 1. Amazing! The answer is 0. Great job! You are a subtraction star. Want to do another quiz? Say yes! Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to watch our other videos. See you next time!